What's up, YouTube family? So today we'll be replacing this GTS Emblem. So this came off a couple of months ago from many car wash visits. I'm not sure how that happened because this sticks for a long time. So today I'll be showing you guys how to replace this without causing any damage to the car paint and give this car much needed new look. So without further ado, let's get things started. All right, so I'll be replacing it with this. I purchased this emblem from eBay. It only cost 20 bucks. For that price, the quality actually looks great. You can't tell this apart from the OEM. It looks really good. Anyways, I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to purchase one of these. All right, so the first thing we need to do is to apply some heat to the emblem to loosen things up a little bit. Then we can use a scraper to get it out. Yeah, not too much heat, just enough that you can move the emblem with your fingers. Now let's try and see if that made a change. Okay. I think this is ready to go. Oh, there you go. Look at that. Okay. That was fast. Okay. All right. That trick came out pretty easy. So the next thing we need to do is to use this tool here. I don't remember what this is called. So we use this to get the rest of the glue out. I believe this is what this is meant for. I'll find what it's called and leave the link in the description if you guys want to check it out. So at this time, I'm not sure if I'll be able to do this while holding the phone, but I'll try. Oh, okay. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's actually coming out. Yeah, that's not easy since I'm using just one hand. But it's coming out. You guys can see. Let me try a different angle. Okay. Looks like we're almost done. Okay. Okay, we get a microfiber towel. And see, look at that. That actually came out quite well. Okay, there's still a little bit of glue left out here. Let me try a little bit more, see if that little one that's there is gonna come out. So I don't know if you guys can see, but there's still some residue here. Let's try. If it's not coming out, maybe we can use okay. It is coming out. Okay. Let's see. I think we're super close. So I'll get adhesive removal and get the rest of this out. Okay, I apply some adhesive removal to get the rest of this out. Let's see. Think we're almost there. Okay. Uh, okay, look at that. Like nothing was ever there before. Perfect. That's where we want to be. Okay, still small residue here. Awesome. All right, so it's prepped, ready to go on a car. So the question is, how do I know the exact location to place the new emblem? So if you look very close, I don't know if you guys can see this. So there's still the lines from the old one that came out. So I'm gonna follow the exact line and place it correctly. So let's see how that goes. Perfect. Just perfect. All right, let's check out the final product. Oh, this is perfect. Like nothing ever happened. This looks great. The only difference is that the black on the Cayenne looks a little bit faded out than the one I just installed. So yeah, it's gonna be like that for now. But this actually came out perfectly, like I wanted. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a closer look one more time. This came out perfectly, as if nothing ever happened. So I followed the line where the previous one was installed, and it looks great. Okay, I'm going to leave the link in the description where I purchased the emblem from and the tools that I use for the installation. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment sections. So I'll be bringing you guys this type of upgrades, mods, fix in the near future. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.